Pig has a lot of washing to do today. Can you help her? Swipe the clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The washing machine is filling up with lots of soapy water. Can you help sort the clean clothes into the... You are a clever clogs.